Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. This second screencast is going to be on how to upload files to your Google Drive, and then there'll be another one that's on how to share a file from your Google Drive into It's Learning, hyperlink it, submit it, all that kind of good jazz. So first and foremost, this is really simple. For those of y'all that aren't familiar with the Google platform, Google does a great job of making it really seamless to get information and share it. Their mission statement is making the world's information readily accessible and equitable for all. So the idea is they're based around sharing information, which makes this really easy. So let's say, for example, you guys have completed a video of yourself either doing squats or push-ups or some fitness tasks for the week, and you want to take that video from your phone or from a computer or wherever and upload it and submit it into It's Learning. The problem is that some of your videos will be really large files, and It's Learning can get a little wonky with taking that large file size and actually getting it onto their servers. So the way that we solve that problem is to use Google. So let's say, for example, you've completed your weekly fitness task, you want to upload the video. What you'll do is, for starters, you can go to ClassLink, which is, for those of y'all that are in the county, you obviously know what ClassLink is. For those of y'all that don't, here's the URL up top. You can literally just type in classlink.forsythk12.org. That's what you would type in right up here. And when you hit enter, it's going to ask you guys to log in. It's obviously already logged me in. Once you get to this screen, you'll just go to Google Drive, click it, and it'll pull you up to your drive. Once you're here, this big blue button that says new, that's because you're trying to upload something new. Once you click it, you'll go to File Upload, and it'll pull up your Windows screen. Now, let's say you search through, you found what you want to upload. So let's say I'm doing these U.S. history guiding questions. I'm going to select those guided questions, that file I want. I'm going to hit Open. And when I do that, it'll give you a window that says that my upload's been completed. I can scroll down, I can find those guided questions that I just uploaded, and I'm good to go. It's that simple. Phase 2 of the operation is going to be you guys sharing it. That's in the next